Welcome back to Dreamearnpass. It's crazy because what started as just a vision has turned into LLC, turned into commercial spaces. Turned into merch, turned into a lot of things. We're bringing back the streams, but stay tuned. I'm going to touch on everything. I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys coming back to Dreamearnpass, and here we go. Dreamearnpass, baby. What have we accomplished so far? So far, we've established a voice on multiple social media platforms, verified on a few. We're going to continue with that content. We're going to continue that social media growth. We also are officially an LLC. Certified and licensed by New York State. That was a big step for us because now we can get that EIN number and we get that wholesale pricing and we can really get this merch thing going. Content wise, we got Dream Earn Lego. That's going to be a mini Lego series. It's just going to highlight some rare pieces. Took a while to acquire, took a while to put together, but I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just a fun little mini series that we're coming with. Okay, something I'm extremely excited about, the Mystery Millionaire. Me and 3 of my millionaire friends are going to sit down, have some conversation, have some real talk, share some real insight. While their identities will remain a mystery, I promise you, the insight and everything they give, completely transparent. You're not going to want to miss that. Another thing we're completely excited about, our digital kits. We're going to start it off with a free one, completely free. All you have to do is subscribe to Dreamearnpass.com and you're going to get your Legacy Jumpstart Kit. That kit's just going to be a jumpstart to your legacy, get you going in the same direction that we going. Remember, you could dream it, you could earn it, you could pass it, but the work starts with you. You got to start one day, so why not today? Also, I can't not speak about the space I'm in right now. This is the place on Park. This is my wife and my sister-in-law headlining this commercial space. They're coming with family-friendly events. They're hosting things. The grand opening is going to be end of July. Super family-friendly, fun event. You're not going to want to miss that. So tap into that. If you're in the Long Island, Suffolk area, we would love to have you. We're having a huge block party. It's going to be a blast. If you've been tapped in with Dreamearnpass since day one, or you just new here, either way, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate the support. You know, it's something special. You're not just watching a brand grow. You're watching a legacy be built in real time with total transparency. So go ahead, follow, like, subscribe, continue showing love. And like I said, you could dream it, you could earn it, you could pass it. Love.